Now I will show you the fire extinguisher. How we will operate the fire extinguisher. How many kinds of the, what is the classification of the fire extinguisher? How many kinds of the fire extinguisher? We will explain you now. ठीक है ना? अब कितने तरह का फायर एक्सटिंग्विशर होता है, कितने प्रकार का होता है, उसको कैसे चलाना चाहिए, है ना? इसको मालूम है, सिर्फ ये रखा हुआ है, यहाँ पर रखा हुआ है, बस सब देख रहे हैं रखा हुआ है. Only the people they are watching that this is keeping here fire extinguisher. Okay, is keeping there. Okay, only for that, only for show. But see, nobody doing the inspection for this fire extinguisher. मैं इंग्लिश में इसलिए बोल रहा हूँ, I am speaking in English. Means reason, you know English, you know English, you know English. यहाँ majority of the people they are know English. Only 1% they are Hindi. So I am explaining in Hindi also. Okay? यहाँ पर सिर्फ रखा हुआ है ये फायर एक्सटिंग्विशर. ठीक है? सलाम वालेकुम. ये रखा हुआ है, सिर्फ देख रहे हैं लोग. लेकिन इसका प्रॉपर क्या है देखिए, इसमें see all the dust is here. Nobody doing the inspection. You should be cleaning weekly basis. All the time you should have to clean the fire extinguisher first. Second thing, second point, always do the inspection. See the gauge is here red color, green color, again red color, red, green and red. What is the meaning for this? This is very important thing. If you will find this pin, black pin inside, okay, you are watching, no? देख रहे हैं ना, काला पिन है नीचे, वो अंदर में, यहाँ पर इसके अंदर लाल है, ये हरा भी है कलर और फिर लाल है. इसका मतलब है कि ये जो काला वाला है पिन, अगर लाल के ऊपर है तो समझ लो कि ये फायर एक्सटिंग्विशर एक्सपायर हो गया. हाँ, ओके, कोई इसको निकाल दिया है. सी रिमूव द पिन हियर. हाँ, सील यहाँ लगा हुआ है, सील यहाँ लगा हुआ है, लेकिन यहाँ से ये निकला हुआ. खैर, सी this fire extinguisher is useless. This is expired. Khalas. Because this black pin is on the red color. Red color. Always this pin on green color. Always. So make sure this pin should be on green color. So if you will find the green color, this pin, it means this fire extinguisher is ready to use. This is perfect for use. There's no any problem. But if you will find on red color, it means you cannot use this fire extinguisher because the chemical of the fire extinguisher is expired. You can't able to control on the fire with this fire extinguisher. This is the second. Third thing, you will find the label. This is the label. Every 6 months, this label should be renewed. Okay. If the date is expired, it means the same like the medicine. If you will finding on the medicine the expiration date, the date is expired, it means you cannot eat that medicine, correct? The same thing here also. If you will find the date is expired, you cannot use this fire extinguisher. So always you should have to make sure this date should be valid. इसमें date लिखा हुआ है, वो date valid होना चाहिए भाई, ठीक है? And if you are finding that date is valid, okay, date is okay, means it's okay date. But this pin on the red color, it means just forget about this one. Forget about this one, the date. If the pin on the red color, it means you cannot use. Date is valid, okay, date is valid. But this pin, okay, the gauge of the pin on the red color means you cannot use this one. This is already expired, not at all, okay? Number third. See. This is the seal, and a seal. When you will use this one, you should have to anti-clockwise. You should have to, okay, twist this one, okay, like move this one like this, anti-clockwise, okay. So this pin will be break. Then the second thing, you will pull the pin out. After that, suppose if the fire is happening here, make the keep distance 8 to 10 feet. You have to come back. If the fire is happening there, just you should have to come back 8 to 10 feet, maximum 10 feet. This leg Okay, you will be ready to use this one. How you will ready? This nozzle should be on the base of the fire. You should have to aim the nozzle on the base of the fire, base, not on the top, not on the flame, not on the flame. So you can't able to control that one fire. Always aim the fire, just aim the nozzle on the base of the fire, and you will squeeze this one, sweep from corner to corner. Okay, so you can extinguish the fire. ठीक है? 8 से 10 फीट पीछे आ जाओ. इसका नोजल को एम करना है जहाँ से वो फायर आग चालू हुआ है, जड़ में नीचे से हाँ, ऊपर देखो लेके कभी जाने का नहीं इसको, उसके फ्लेम पे नीचे ही एम करने का उसको, और इसको दबाने का, और इधर से उधर, इधर से उधर, इधर से उधर, तो आग पे कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं. बिकॉज द फायर विल स्प्रेड वेरी फास्ट. फायर will spread very fast. So remember one thing, this is very important point for everybody, every individual. They should have to must know about this point. If the fire is small, if the fire is small, then only you will try this fire extinguisher. Otherwise don't touch this fire extinguisher. If the fire is big, you cannot control the fire. If the fire is big, with this fire extinguisher, you cannot control the fire, big fire you cannot control with this fire extinguisher. It cannot help. It will spread very fast. You cannot control. You can lose your life. So just remove everything. You should have to go to the assembly point. Forget everything. If the fire becomes big, forget everything. Let the building will burn, no problem. Next building, you can make this building again. If I will lose this pen, I can purchase this pen again, same pen, same company, I can purchase. But if the one person will die, we cannot bring the same person again. Correct? It's very important. कभी भी आग छोटा रहे तो ये फायर एक्सटिंग्विशर इस्तेमाल करें, लेकिन आग जब बड़ा हो जाए ये आपको काम नहीं आएगा, ये यूज़ नहीं कर सकते. भूल से भी ट्राई नहीं करना है, भूल से भी नहीं कर सकेगा कंट्रोल आप. ये ऑक्सीजन है ना, ऑक्सीजन वो फायर को हेल्प करता है उसको फैलने के लिए. दिस ऑक्सीजन इज हेल्पिंग द फायर टू स्प्रेड वेरी फास्ट. अब सपोज दैट दिस इज द बर्निंग कैंडल. सपोज एग्जांपल, दिस इज द बर्निंग कैंडल. You keep here and you will put the glass on the top of this burning candle. It cannot burn any more long. It will be extinguished. Is correct? Because this burning candle, it's not getting the oxygen from outside. Is correct? The same thing. अभी ये मोमबत्ती जल रहा है, इसके ऊपर गिलास डाल दो तो ये मोमबत्ती जलता रहेगा, बंद हो. क्यों बंद हो जाएगा? क्योंकि इसको हवा नहीं मिलती. इसीलिए हवा ऐसी चीज है कि जब हवा मिलेगा आग को तो आग फैलता है. सो इफ द फायर बिकम्स बिगर, डोंट ट्राई टू एक्सटिंग्विश द फायर with this fire extinguisher. Okay, just tell your senior, inform your senior that fire happened, big fire happened here. Your senior, he will call the civil defense people. He will come here and he will control whatever he know the procedure, and he will control the fire whatever. Okay, this is none of your business. This is not your business. Okay, the civil defense business. Your business, you should have to go to the assembly point. Why the people they are going to the assembly point? Why? Why they are not going to his room?
Why?
No. Everybody should go to the assembly point for head count. Yes, for the head count. Because morning, the person those came in the morning. For the, yeah, very good. See, the engineer, he know everything. Yeah, I'm really very thankful for you because you know this procedure. This morning, those who came in this morning for the work, okay, the timekeeper he will come on the assembly point. He will check, he will recheck, he will count the people. Yes, if he will found anybody is not finding there. If anybody is losing there, it means that person loses life in the fire disaster. So for the head count, you should have to go to the assembly point. The timekeeper, he will come, he will check his people the same person are present or not. Those who came in the morning, the same person present or not for the head count. Okay, calculate the peaks. Yes, 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 very good. Okay, so you should have to go to the assembly point during any kind of disaster, not only fire disaster, any kind of earthquake, the flooding, the flood. Okay, you know, the rain, big rain, huge rain. Okay, the huge, you know, the air pressure wind is blowing, you know, the huge one. Any kind of disaster, you should have to go to the assembly point. Okay, this is the system, this is the procedure. Suppose that, one more example I want to give you. अगर 10 फ्लोर का बिल्डिंग आप उस पर काम कर रहे हैं और 9वें फ्लोर पे आग लगती है, क्या करोगे आप? लिफ्ट से आएंगे? नहीं, सीढ़ी से आएंगे, जल्दी से सीढ़ी से। लिफ्ट से आएंगे तो आपको मालूम नहीं बिजली वाला कहीं फायर होगा तो नहीं, खत्म हो जाएंगे, है ना? तो इसलिए आपको आना है लिफ्ट से और सीधे असेंबली पॉइंट चले जाना, ठीक है? सपोज यू आर वर्किंग
देखो
in the building, on the building, and that building is level 10 floor building. You will find the level 10, you will find the fire. How you will come down? How you will come down and go to the assembly point? How you will go to the assembly point? Huh? No, don't use the lift. Don't use the lift during fire disaster, because we don't know what kind of fire it is. Maybe that fire is electrical fire, maybe
mühendis.
maybe that fire is electrical fire. It's correct. So when you will enter in the lift, you can lose your life. It's correct. So during fire disaster, don't use the lift anymore. You should have to come with the staircase, and you should have to go to the assembly point. The same procedure. Don't be a panic. Don't push anyone. Don't run on that time. Just you go to your assembly point for head count, for any fire disaster or any kind of disaster. This is the procedure. This is the system.
تعال يا عم بعيد عن البتاع، خد يد هنا بعيد.
आ जाओ.
ايه الزمان اللي قضيناه في جريح من الحضاره، لما التاني بعيد عنك.
हाँ.